Hindi mo maiwasan yun eh. Kahit yung pinaka-popular, tignan mo, our president now, if you look at the surveys, ang taas-taas ng popularity, ng approval rating at lahat, meron pa rin galit sa kanya, meron pang minumura siya, meron pang kung ano-ano sinasabi. Hindi mo mawala yan eh. And we learned that lesson, I did anyway, I learned that lesson very early on.
At the age of 6.
Mga ganun. I remember, we'll look in the history books. When was the time when he was Senate President, ang gusto talaga siyang tanggalin. They just kept attacking him and attacking him. I remember, I still in my head, I can still see the newspaper. Oust Marcos. Marcos out. Yung ganun, puro ganun yung headline.
At the age of 6, ano? Parang ang aga kagad na awakening yun and realization about life. Di ba?
It had to happen because buhay talaga namin yun. It's been that way since history. Before we were born.
Yes.